Yo, what's up guys, welcome back, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a nice and dreamy look effect in After Effects. Starting off, once you already have your clip imported right here, I'm going to right click on our mouse, go to new, and make a new adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go to our effects and presets tab, and then for the first effect I'm going to add is sharpen. Go right here and drag it in. We're going to put our sharpen amount to 82. And it's going to give a really nice and sharpened effect right here. It's going to outline a good amount of our clip. If I were to turn it off, then on, you can see how the effect comes out. I'm going to close this effect out since we're not going to be using it anymore. Next effect I'm going to add is glow. Put a drag it in right there. I'm going to go to my threshold right here. I'm going to put at 38.4 for our threshold. And it's going to give a really ugly like saturation deep right effect, but don't worry about that. We're going to put our radius at 126 and it's going to give our dreamy look. And in order to actually kind of reduce that dreamy look, I'm actually going to go to our intensity and just drop it from 1 to 0.5, and it's going to really reduce our look, and it's actually going to make it so we can actually see what's going on a good amount. You could bring down our radius a bit and then increase our threshold about right there. Apart from that, you can mess around with it to your liking. We're going to close out the glow effect right there since we're not going to be messing with it anymore. Next effect I'm going to add right here is add grain. Drag it in right there. Then we're going to go to our viewing mode and put it on final output. Always make sure to have it on final output, and if not, only the green is going to be in this white box right here, right there in that white border. We're going to put our add grain right here at final output. Then we're going to go to preset right here. Then we're going to look for Kodak SFX 200T. So right here. Then we're going to put our intensity maybe at 2. You could also decrease our glow a bit. So go right here and close out add grain. Whoops, and go to glow. Then increase our radius right there. I'm going to close out our glow effect right there. And yeah, that's how you create a nice and simple dreamy look effect in After Effects. Before you guys hop off this video, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading around 3 to 4 times a week. With that all out of the way, make sure to stay creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.